everyone, it's Heather Morstatter with Morstatter Residential of Keller Williams Realty, and today we're featuring our Falcon Pointe Home of the Week at 18813 Derby Hill Lane. Let's take a look around. If you're looking to get into Falcon Pointe at a great price and in a single-story home that's close to the schools, this is the home. 1813 Derby Hill Lane is located in the Falcon Pointe community. It is 1,814 square feet, built in 2010. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and is a single-story home. Upon entering the home, you first come upon a formal dining area, which could also be used as an office area, which has a really nice natural light and a bench seat. The kitchen features plenty of counter space and countertops with a gas cooktop and refrigerator, which is open to an eat-in kitchen area, laundry room, and living area. The living room has vaulted ceilings along with a nice tucked-in niche area for your entertaining purposes, as well as lots of natural light. The master suite offers coffered ceilings with an ensuite master bathroom with his and hers sinks, as well as a garden tub and walk-in shower, along with walk-in closet. The secondary bedrooms are of good size. One offers a walk-in closet. I just want to thank you for taking some time today to view our Falcon Pointe Home of the Week at 18813 Derby Hill Lane. Again, this property is listed by Alicia Mashad with Coldwell Banker. So if you guys are thinking about buying, selling, or investing in real estate, we'd love the opportunity to speak with you in more detail about how we could serve you. You can always reach me at 512-758-5690. Have a great day.